mad performance out of these. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me again for another thrilling episode. Now today we've got something really special on the ramp. This is the same Defender 90 that we fitted the air suspension kit to, and we've also just recently changed out from the Coney shocks that we initially installed to the Fox suspension. Now the Fox suspension is slightly more comfortable, but today we're not focusing on the suspension. We've got a serious brake upgrade. And when I mean serious, I really do mean serious. On the floor over here, we have these mighty Tarox 6-pot calipers. Now these things are absolutely mental, super expensive, but really, really good. And there's a reason why they're so expensive, is because they're so good. As you probably know, a Defender 90, the front calipers are old Lockheed calipers and then taken over by AP. And Defender brakes just generally aren't good. And this one's got big power. This one's got a huge turbo strap to it. And it goes pretty quickly. And it incites fear when you put your foot on the brake because nothing much happens. So we're going to change that today, and we've got 6-pot Tarox calipers to go on. We chose black to go with this whole murdering out theme that we've got going on, and also the discs to match. This is some super nice, high quality stuff. These are grooved, and well, I'm just super excited to see them on the front of this car because we've got a really, really premium setup on this car, and the only thing that lets it down, well, is the braking system. So we're going to change it today, and you're going to see me install our braided brake co's Tarox 6-pot installation. So without further ado, let's grab some tools and get straight to it. That was a really good intro, Sam. So this is our current setup. You can see we've still got the air suspension set up, and we changed out for those Fox suspension. The Fox will just aid in the comfort. They are absolutely superb. However, we have got some pretty wavy discs where we've been pressing pretty hard and a nice sizable lip. Now these are still serviceable, there's nothing really wrong with them. However, they're just not quite up to scratch with the power in this one. And this one's got quite a luxury feel to it. There's a nice old lip on both sides. And to be honest, when you're doing about 70 miles an hour and you brake hard, it veers off to the left. And I think that's purely just because of the amount of wear on these discs, and we could probably rectify that with discs and pads. However, we're just going to go straight in with the Tarox 6-pot and get this thing up to the standard it should be, really. This is going to be a really, really cool thing. So you're going to see me now strip down discs and pads, and then we'll go and talk through the kit, which is on the floor just here, and what it involves. We've got a nice little instruction manual. The instructions on this are actually really good, which is such a, well, my mind's blown because usually I'm used to Brick Part with just photos and other random bits and bobs. So really happy about that. Let's strip this down now and get straight to work. one side completed, and it just looks absolutely crazy. It's really, really cool. Seeing this whole corner, to be honest, this is something it's quite rare to see such high-end stuff on a Defender, and it's all tucked away nice and tidily. Really nice, but really happy with these calipers, discs and pads. Looks absolutely amazing. 6-pot, so 6 pistons as opposed to 4, and these are just going to be so much better. Braided brake lines. We're not going to do the back for now because I think they'll be okay, but I'm so excited to actually take these on a road test and see what they feel like. We can't stamp on them just yet because obviously they haven't bedded just yet, but they look nuts. I really like the look. Can't wait to do the other side. We'll jump on there now and do the other side. Guys, we're just bleeding the system, and that should be all good to go. So guys, time to put the wheels back on, see if they actually fit, which would be nice. So the wheels fit on quite nicely, and I can't wait to test this thing, so I'm going to get it off the ramp and take it down the road and see what we think. Okay guys, so the car's off the lift, and we're going to go take it out on the road and see what these brakes really feel like. This thing is so fast. Let's check the brakes actually. There's definitely more feel there. Got to be very gentle with them, but I am very confident that these brakes are going to make this thing stop on a penny. And I'm just super impressed with the kit actually. It all went together perfectly. I didn't have to modify anything. The instructions made sense. To be honest, I would expect that for the price range. This kit was, I think it was about 2,400, something like that. But well worth it. If you think about brakes, I'm just being very gentle with them, but I know that if I stamped on them, unfortunately I glazed the pads, so I can feel the job's been done correctly, and time will tell, but I'm super happy with how the installation went, and obviously they just look super cool. So yeah, super happy with that. And well, we'll go back to the workshop, and I'm sure we've got many other things to be doing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this mini episode of me installing our new Tarox 6-pot caliper conversion. I think it's really, really cool, and I hope that you guys are enjoying my channel. Please don't forget to drop your thoughts and comments down below in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, which is @JuiceMotors, and I'll catch you guys next time. So morning guys, I took the car home last night, and I'm super impressed with it. Everything's perfect, but I'm just super impressed with these brakes, and now they're not bed in, but I can feel the pressure that you're actually putting on these, and it's such a difference. These have got 6 pots on the front rather than 4, and the difference is very, very noticeable. So I'm super impressed with this, and obviously glad to take it on a road test. Mad performance out of these, and the steel braid lines, the pedal's so hard, and you just literally lurch forward. So super impressed with this kit, and yeah, goodbye.